So I saw in the TV that if you break a world record, somebody just broke a world record of the most stacking things in the world. I just don't want it. So he said that you start with something like very, very steady, like still in. So each one got this feeling. Three. Two. I did it. Three. So right now I'm at 5. So no. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I did 5. 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's 5. Okay, so I have how many? 5. So I have to go to 10. So I have how many? I have 4 more to do. Then 1 more. Boom! I broke the freaking record. Oh, okay. So I'm kind of very nervous. So hard, so hard. 6. I did 6. I'm at 6. So just 3 more to break the record. I mean 4 more to break the record. 4 more. Come on. Oh, dang it! So I'm gonna try one more time. If I'm gonna fail 3 more times, I'm gonna get so frustrated in this video. You know, I'm just using some other tool. So guys, no. If I'm making what the? So guys, I'm just so I'm gonna like
पॉज किया
नहीं